Sanibonani and welcome to Wisdom X Magaziwe. Imina ke ingane yamakhehla madala, amakhehla makhulu, amakhehla mahle. If you're watching for the first time, siyakwamukela. We are all about sharing wisdom, healing, and sharing light for the world to become better. Thank you so much to returning subscribers. Siyabonga, siyabonga, siyabonga. Please like, comment, and the people just passed by, please don't forget to subscribe. And to the day ones who are always here, who are liking before even watching, siyabonga, 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 singamakhehla. On today's video, I just want to answer questions that people give me. Okay, today I want to speak about amakhosi. A lot of people are asking, Guti, are you able to work when you have a spirit samakhosi? Well, most of the time, if you are working, it's possible. Someone asks, is it possible to work with a spirit samakhosi? Kodwa, you are submitting under someone. It is possible to have a spirit samakhosi and work. But when you're working, trust me, you are having a position la usebenza khona. You are some form of a leader because of amakhosi awathandi ukuphathwa. If you are not a manager or a leader, you have your own way of doing things la usebenza khona. Awuthandi ukuphathwa. And preferably amakhosi wakho azokhuluma nawo ngoba ubukhosi nobukhosi abufani. Amakhosi azokhuluma nawo ukuthi at the end of the day, we would like for you to do this. You will be given ideas. You will be given things to say, start working on this. Start doing this. And I know a lot of people bayasaba ukuba ma-entrepreneurs or bayasaba ukuqala izinto, but isimo sizokupusha in a way that uthi uya-apply for umsebenzi ungasawutholi. Why? Because of the people, the guides that you're working with. Lamakhosi ohamba nawo require ukuthi wena uziqalele into yakho. For example, you might be working currently and you have this business idea or this idea of starting something outside. Start it. Work on it. Nurture it whenever you have time. Whether it's something here on YouTube that is online, whatever that you want to do outside, because of kunabanye abantu engibabheka here on social media who are just working here on social media, influencers for example, and who are making serious money from this influencing business. Labo ke uyababona ukuthi yey lamakhosi abahamba nawo, lamakhosi khona abanye batheni isikole ngisifuni, I will just nje freestyle, I will just do this life thing, and some of the things I will learn them along the way. It's so beautiful to watch. But if when we are ukuthi unamakhosi and you are still working and you have this desire or you have this vision of becoming greater, better, like doing more and more and more, then work towards that. If amakhosi wakho ama-academia athanda isikolo, you pursue these degrees, you pursue your masters, you pursue your PhDs. Not wonke amakhosi, guys, asikhulumeni amaqiniso ukuthi mawucabanga amakhosi mele ucabange manje ubu-traditionally ukuthi awufuna ukuphathwa abelungu and all of those things. Yes, amakhosi are leaders, but ukhumbule ubukhosi nobukhosi abufani. I would say I'm a mixed breed. I'm Xhosa, I'm Zulu, but when I look at the background yasekhaya amaXhosa, kukhona ubungisinyana lapho, kukhona ubulungunyana lapho, because you know how Xhosas are, like Nella Masenemo, Bobo Johnson, Hotbomb, and all of those things. So what if amakhehla ngihamba now? One of the khehla ngihamba liyikhosi, but lithanda isikole, lifuna ukuya esikolweni, and it's full of enlightenment. And if you can just go to school, if you can just go to school, trust you me, your things are going to. Khona abantu abaphiwe isikolo. Thola ukuthi lama course ohamba nawo ayathanda isikolo, ayasebenza. You end up being a judge, an advocate. When under your profession, you rank on the highest and highest level, guys. So can we not box ourselves? And masicabanga amakhosi you be like, mina ngeke ngize ngizosebenzela umlungu uze emhlabeni, and lama course ohamba nawo akuthumela kuphi emhlabeni. So please, can we do away with this mindset ukuthi mocabanga ubu traditional? Yes, akhona ama entrepreneurs. Yes, kukhona abantu who are under professions but they become the highest. Meaning even if ungaba udoctor, mhlawumbe wasebukhosini, but when you're the senior, you're the highest doctor, uyayishaya into yakho, uyabona kuyahluka. So baningi abantu abahamba namakhosi la ngapha njengoba ngisho ukuthi even influencers, even content creators, some of them, when I look at them and I'm like a leader in whatever field or sphere that it says a lot. It says a lot about the angels that are carrying you. So to the person who was asked, if you are working, kodwa if uyazazi ukuthi uhamba nawo lama course and iyakushaya lento ngaphakathi ukuthi you must start something, please start it, nurture it, do it. The more you put effort into something, that's where you're going to see fruition. But if uyahlala ulokhu busy, mina ngifuna emsebenzini bangicontrol, mina ngihamba namakhosi and uyazi amakhosi athanda ukuyiphatha and all of that. If you are so passionate ukuthi uthanda ukuyiphatha nalabantu uhamba labathanda ukuyiphatha, vuka usebenze, vuka start something. Because of isikhathi masiloko lesihamba, abanye bazi ukukuncenga, amanye amakhosi awazi ukukuncenga ngoba azovele avale yonke leminyango wena obona ilula. Because of some of you uhamba nawo amakhosi but you're lazy, you don't want to start, you've got this fear, I don't know what's happening with you, but bayogcine beyivala leminyango. Ungaba umthandazi uhambe nawo amakhosi and you become a leader in your field also. Thandazisa abantu, bakunika ama-client, ukwazi ukwenza imali. Like each and every sphere, part of life or profession or gift or whatever, you can be a good vocalist. Meaning maybe sisingena ku-art, sisingena ku different types of art, sisingena ku-music, sisingena ku-in. God has sent us into this world. So njoba sihlukile siphume ebukhosini obu different, we dominate in those different in those different industries or in those different professions eziku. But mina into engifuna umqondo engifuna ukubulala ulo okulimithayo mawuqabanga amakhosi lokubhiza hayi amakhosi vele ayayiphatha mina emsebenzini, phuma lapho uqale something yakho. The ideas that you have, start and do not be afraid. You start, you fail, you learn from your failures, and then you end up perfecting whatever that you're doing. And look at other people who chose a different route. Ngiyaz akusiwona wonke umuntu ozochoose a different route. Hence even those people who are doing degrees, who are having these highest positions, uyazi ukuthini kuchaza lukhulu ngalabantu abahamba nabo. Akube ubumbano nozwano nothando ngaphakathi kwamakhaya wenu.